Good people, back again with another video. Just before I get into it, I'd like to please request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. It assists the channel a lot. You know, we need the algorithm to work in my favor now because I'm tired of it not. But please, people, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get the numbers up a bit, man. Let's start focusing a bit on numbers. A bit, not too much. Obviously, sometimes a little bit of numbers game is good. But yeah, that's enough of that. I think we should just get into the review now. So this trainer sneaker, I've had in multiple colours, if I'm honest. I think this is my 4th or 5th pair. When I bought my first pair, I was actually in love with them. I don't know what it was. Since then, each pair has kind of varied, so sizing's been a bit funny. But I've dealt with that, of course. Then I don't know, the comforts, everything. There's been a lot of different things to take in with these pairs, man. But all I know is the first pair I had was legendary. Unfortunately, didn't do a review on them. I don't know why. But yeah, it's a shoe that a lot of people like on the channel, or when they have viewed the channel, they've had a look at the shoe, they really like it. I've done comparison videos of them and all sorts. But let's just get into it, people. The most famous, world famous red Nike box. It's been shown on the channel hundreds of thousands of times. Well, not hundreds of thousands, just hundreds of times. Let's just skip all that and get into the good stuff. So the government name, Nike Air Max 95 UL Ultra Light, whatever. Colourway Black Habanero Red, I like that. 2 colours. US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, and the Euro 45. Let's get into these, man. Yeah. Air Max 95 Ultra or Ultra Light, whatever you want to call them. I just call them Ultras. That's just what I really call them, to be honest. I've never really called them by any other name. Just the Ultras. So look at that, man. Just have a look at that. Just look at that. They're so simple yet so stylish. It's amazing. So start off with the bottom as always. The Nike Air Max, it's lighter, so it's got different to the standard Air Max 95. And the bubbles, as the classic Air Max 95 bubbles, quite similar. These ones are kind of bigger, very similar to them. Then it's got the first layer. This is like a tape, we can say, tape layer. Then another tape layer. It's got a bit of, feels like mesh. Yep, it's mesh. And then some odd tape. Mesh and some odd tape. So the tape under there, it's not really tape, it's just like another type of mesh to make that pattern. Then it's got another tape layer on the top. And then proper mesh, Air Max 95 mesh. And what I really like about this pair is this leather on the front. That is some serious leather on that toe box, mate. Serious leather. That just stand out. Like, I saw it in the pictures. I thought, is that leather? I wasn't too sure. Then, had to find out. And it's leather. Plastic Nike Habanero Red swoosh. Just looks amazing. Just, stands out. back hilt tab on these Air Max. Say Air Max, Air Max, Air Max, Air Max, Air Max, all over that. Air Max, Air Max is just like a plastic put on. It's like a hologram, but it's not really moving or anything. There we go, Air Max. There's the hologram, people. Amazing. And then lace loops, you know, some good lace loops. Then it says Air Max on kind of like a taped material here, so it's like a tape that holds it in. On the other Air Max, it's like a different material, and then it's got more leather there. Then the Air Max, same thing. So the holographic, not hologram, but yeah, holographic Air Max, quite nice, you know, just plain simple. These laces, they're quite good. I like them, the rounded laces. However, I would have liked the other rounded laces, but I know why they put these ones. So they're quite good. Feel like good quality laces, to be honest. The way they tie up, I wasn't too happy with at the start, but you know, I just gotta sort them out and then kind of tie them, really. Like, I don't know. But yeah, it's basically a triple black with just a bit of red accents on them. Very nice, clean shoe. I think they look, obviously they're less bulky than the essential or the proper Air Max 95. A lot of people hate on Ultras. When they hate on them, I just think, come on, man, it's not going to give you a personality. You're just trying to hate on them. Stop trying to be that person. Oh yeah, I just wear the normal ones. Ultras are this, Ultras are that. Mate, nobody's got time for that. Ultras are this, Ultras are that. Like, just buy what you want, wear what you want. This is a sick colorway. I really like this colorway, so I got it. Proper classic, you know, standard on an Air Max tracksuit, even whatever you want to wear. These will go good. What I really like with these as well is they go good with jeans, and I hate wearing Nikes with jeans. However, these are just like, you know, discreet type, low key, you know, if you just want to wear jeans that day. You can always put these on the bottom of some jeans, just a quick hoodie, you know, black and red, very casual, black jeans or grey jeans, super casual outfit just for a quick outing, or if, you know, casual meal or something. Very, very good. So yeah, tell me what you think about these, people. Do you like them? Do you have them? Do you want them? Do you want more info about them? Anything of that sort, let me know. I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. And also make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, which is the most important bit. Once you've liked, comment, shared, and subscribed, you can always wait a few moments and then you'll see the on foot video of these, how they look on foot at the bottom of some tracksuit bottoms. I might do some with like jeans and stuff. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's enough waffling from me for today. And the most important thing is, make sure you take care, people.